Hi, welcome back to today's morning report chart proposals on Thursday the 9th of April with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Hand Tech Markets. Moving on to cable. And yes, once again, cable has rolled over underneath this $1.50 big figure area, big resistance area, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, at least 5 attempts, if not, if you counted the band being between 149.50 to 150 big figure, you'd say I think 7 or 8 times it's had an attempt at this breakout, and it's failed. Yesterday, I think this is a fairly negative candle. I said that in the morning report. The fact that we had the move up to the upside could have been a strong candle, then bang, the FOMC minutes came out and the selling pressure came back in to close cable back below the midpoint of the day. So that became more of a disappointing candle than a negative candle, but certainly that has been backed up by the selling pressure that's come through today. Cable down 85 pips at the moment. Now, these momentum indicators, you'd still say that they're fairly neutral. In terms of a consolidation, you're not seeing too much to the downside yet. I mean, a slight downtick on those stochastics, but MACD lines and RSI still not really saying too much negative yet. And whilst that support at 47.37 is intact, I think you're still okay. However, it certainly looks, this is the hourly chart, and you can see this consolidation, really, this range over the past few weeks built up, and you're back towards the bottom of that range. Now, if I zoom in here, we can just put a quick downside projection. You basically do that, and you see that we're not too far away from the 100% projection of that almost flag pattern. So it's pretty much hit that within seven or so pips. So that would suggest that you're pretty much almost done on the downside of that move on the near term. So you're still playing this range, and you've actually found a bit of support coming in. So perhaps, I've been saying on the last few days that every time the RSI gets towards 30, it's a buying opportunity. Every time it gets towards 70, it's a selling opportunity. Stochastics as well have played a good role in that. Yesterday's sell signal, for example, that I sort of put out on Twitter later on, worked excellently. And basically, we're now back towards the lows on the RSI. So you'd be looking out for some support to start coming in. That 47.37 mark could be an area where you might start to build support. It seems to have settled that initial selling pressure in the last few minutes. Although obviously you've got the trade balance that comes out in literally in 1 minute actually. So perhaps that will be something that will have an impact on the chart. But at the moment, certainly this is still a range play. And I don't see that changing anytime soon, really. And now with the RSI back towards 30, you'd say, we'll start to look for potential buy signals for near-term long positions. And I stress that near-term being the operative word, because any move you see sort of lasts for 1, maybe 2 days, and then starts to reverse. So near-term positions are the way to play cable at the moment, and maybe watch out for the stochastics. RSI is back below 30, but the stochastics need to, I think, give a decent buy signal, just like the one we had 2 days ago, and obviously the sell signal in a similar fashion yesterday as well. So we're now looking for potential buy signals on support around 47.37. Now, if we lost 47.37, that would reopen that support around 47 figure, and then subsequently 46.30 area. But at the moment, we're still holding on to the support at 47.37. You're still in this trading band, and I think you've still got to play it. So for now, we're still range bound, but things can change. But at the moment, we are still range bound. So I wish you good luck in your trading on cable, and I'll speak to you later.